Good morning. This video is going to explain to you how to do the religion classification grid. Basically what we'll be doing is you've learned about Judaism, Christianity, and Islam separately. What we're going to do in this assignment is put that information together in one document. So I will send you the document. It'll be all set up and it'll have the two examples that I'm doing, and I'll show you how that works, and then we'll talk about how many you have to do at the end. So, first of all, what you have to do is decide, okay, what's a characteristic that we can use to compare the three religions? So we have to ask ourselves, well, what's something that is different between at least two of them, or something that we could put down here? So I'm going to start out with one example that students don't normally pick themselves. So is, when did this religion start? About what time in history did we first see this religion? So I'm going to call it the historical start date. And we've looked at these in the order of their age. So Judaism was founded in approximately 1800 BC. Now Christianity is going to be somewhere in the early, and we'll put here somewhere between probably 5 and 30 AD. Again, Jesus born early AD. His death starts the religion, which was around 30 AD. Now, you'll notice, this is a good chance to show something else here. You'll notice right here that this doesn't look very neat. So in your spreadsheet, when you get anything that's long like this, up at the top, actually you won't be able to see that because I don't have that in the picture, but you can use something called wrapping text to make it all fit within the box. Then the start date for Islam was around 600 years after Christianity in 610 AD. So here's one example you could use, which is historical start date. Now, I'm going to do a second one as an example of what not to do. So is it monotheistic or polytheistic? Do they believe in one God or many? Well, Judaism would be monotheistic. They believe in one God. Christianity would be monotheistic. They believe in one God. And Islam would be monotheistic. They believe in one God. So that's not necessarily the best, but we could go back and make this a little bit better by saying the Jews were monotheistic and they called their God by the name Yahweh. Christians were monotheistic and they used the term God. And in Islam they were monotheistic and they called their God Allah. So there is a way you could turn even something that is similar into a slight difference. Now it is okay too if two of them share something in common and one's different, but you want to try to stay away from ones that are the same. Okay, so your assignment for today is to get at A, you need to come up with 5 more ways to compare them and the information. Okay, so you would have to have really the next 5 rows filled in with what are you comparing them and the information pulled from the 3 religions. Okay, this is going to be due by the end of the day tomorrow. So this is your social studies assignment for today and tomorrow. And feel free to contact me if you have questions.